Hello everyone. Welcome back to All Board Regulatory Bodies. For all the students who are preparing for RBI Grade B 2025, we have brought a special webinar which will enlighten you, which will guide you for next year's RBI Grade B preparation. For all the students who are now thinking about that they are going to plan, they have targeted RBI Grade B for the next year. Second thing, they need a beginner's guidance. They need that how they can begin their preparation in 6 to 8 months, how they can become the RBI Grade B officer. So that's why on the demand of lots of students, on 20th of October 2024 at 4 p.m. we are bringing an exclusive webinar, which is a closed webinar with All India Rank 1 of the year 2018 in RBI Grade B exam, Mr. Anil Tadimeti, who is our super mentor. So here's an opportunity to get access to exclusive webinar of RBI Grade B preparation strategy as well as the beginner's guide for the year that is next year 2025. If you are a student and you are having various doubts, you don't know how to prepare, you are new to this RBI Grade B exam, you want to prepare but you are not getting how to start. If you are having multiple doubts, whatever the doubts are from head to toe, it may be related to notes, it may be related to quant, reasoning, it may be related to even answer writing, or maybe it may be related to even your interview preparation. We are going to address everything in this complete beginners strategy for RBI Grade B 2025 by All India Rank 1 is exclusive webinar on 20th October 2024. So this webinar is exclusively so that you can know about RBI Grade B 2025 exam. Let us discuss that what are the agendas of this webinar. We'll first have breaking down the syllabus. Simple. Before going to any examination, you should know the length and breadth of the syllabus. The deep topics, headings, subheadings, everything under the syllabus you should be knowing about. Without knowing the syllabus, you cannot even try to prepare for any particular exam. It could become an infinite loop to prepare for any exam without looking at the syllabus. Second, how to start your preparation. What are the beginning essential things? What are the things to do? What are the things not to do? On daily basis, even if you study for 2-3 hours, what are the bare minimum things you should do beginning from today itself? So that also All India Rank 1, our super mentor Anil sir will discuss with you. Utilizing the next 6 months, how you are going to utilize them, how you are going to strategize for 6 months. We will also provide you a model timetable also for the next 6 months. So 6 months we will be telling you, okay, on this particular date, on this particular hour, what you should be doing. So that timetable also will be shared with you. Next, 3 high focus area also we will try to concentrate. Many of the competitive exams, especially for regulatory bodies like RBI Grade B exam, it has some core areas like finance, ESI. In finance, ESI and management, descriptive answer writing part. These are the very core areas. If you concentrate on them, definitely you will surely clear the RBI Grade B exam. But if we are telling you these 3 high focus areas, we will also strategize you for preparation and to acing in these 3 areas. Lastly, we will have an Q&A session where you will get an exclusive chance to mention your questions in the chat box. I will take those questions directly to Anil sir and he will answer your questions. Don't worry, we will cover all the questions, and lastly a giveaway which will be definitely the timetable as well as the details which we have shared in the webinar. So in this way, this is the overall webinar which is going to be there. Mind you, the webinar is live. Now lastly, one important thing. Many students will say that, sir, is this webinar paid? No guys, this webinar is absolutely free. This is an open webinar for all. The only thing which you have to do in this video's description box, the links has been given. Go on the link, register yourself. Already guys, inside our platform already registrations have started. Okay, and we are receiving huge response. So before we lock our seats, because we also have limited seats, I'm telling you, we are having limited seats and we'll close it down if those seats are fulfilled. Already we are getting a lot of engagement for this webinar. There are many students who are preparing for 2025. So do you want to be in that lot which just prepares, or do you want to become an RBI Grade B officer? Do you want to really seriously clear the exam? So get access to this exclusive webinar and make sure that you are part of it on 20th of October on 4 p.m. Thank you very much. And yes, don't forget to register yourself. Register in the link which has been given in the description box. Also, in the chat section also, you will see the link has been given. So make sure that you register yourself and let's meet you on 20th October 4 p.m. Thank you very much. See you next time.